Hey there, welcome to this brief introduction to digital citizenship for querying and working with data. Bear with me a little bit, this is going to make sense eventually. So, this is a really brief lesson outline. We are going to cover what digital citizenship is, how DC connects to data, and what our role is in terms of developing queries that we use to find information on student record data. Our learning outcomes for this presentation, at least, is students or learners should be able to define digital citizenship. We should be able to understand the context of DC in connection to data and queries and make more educated and ethical decisions around our student record data. Digital citizenship refers to the ability to use technology responsibly, safely, and respectfully. Why is it important? Few reasons here. It teaches us how to use the internet ethically and safely. Developing critical thinking skills is something in addition to what we learn. We can bring awareness of online behavior. It teaches us the technical skills that we need to navigate spaces like Duke Hub or PeopleSoft. It helps us make a better informed decisions, especially when considering the skills and the tools that we use. It gives us opportunities to make meaningful community contributions and provide us with the knowledge to protect our privacy, but also the privacy of our students and even faculty and staff members, because odds are that you might be in a position one day to have to query data on not just students, but maybe even your instructors. So now let's look at a select few aspects of DC in connection to querying for data. Online safety focuses on protecting private information and staying safe in the online environment. It includes understanding how to safeguard sensitive details, including student names, birthdays, home address, and even social security numbers. Responsible use of technology can help PeopleSoft developers. Yes, you are a developer. Parentheses here, you are querying for data, and I think that you should call yourself a developer because that's really what you're doing. So, end of parentheses. Responsible use of technology can help us use the platform in a manner that respects the rights and privacy of others. For PeopleSoft developers, a tech driven society means staying updated with the latest trends and best practices in the field. Staying up to date with the latest PS query methods and features can encourage more users to contribute to the development process, leading to solutions that better meet user needs. And finally, collaboration with your colleagues can lead to more efficient problem solving and innovation. DC plays a crucial role in the context of data and queries. It involves understanding how we interact with our social, political, economic, education environment through certain digital infrastructures. An infrastructure could be campus solutions, Duke Hub. The concept of datafication is apparent today as we see our lives being transformed by data based categories and actions. Data citizenship also can empower individuals by encouraging agency, active participation, and navigation through various data related activities. Our roles as consumers and producers of data, right? We need to be data literate, understand how, why data is collected and saved so that we can most effectively query and report on it. And also, most importantly, know when and if we should share the data that we query and to whom. In the context of DC, the role of a query developer is multifaceted and significant. Let's delve into how you can contribute to the digital landscape. Our primary roles as query developers, knowing where the data lives and oftentimes how it's saved and processed. We need to know how to effectively and efficiently query for data and how not to. For example, if you create a query in a way that looks at too many tables and uses improper joins, this can cause significant stress on Duke Hub, our student information system. It may cause other processes that users are doing to lag. Furthermore, as developers, we are in a position to empower other users to use the data from the system to help them understand their students and bring data to the conversation. All this in line with considering how we can ensure the protection of data abiding always to FERPA regulations. Remember, digital citizenship continues to evolve as technology becomes more complex in the same way that data is becoming more complex. There are more and more emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning that are reshaping data reporting. We need to be aware of the trends and the tools as they have the capacity to both empower users to use data effectively, but also misrepresent data, whether intentionally or not. Thank you.